Today we talk about how can you select widget on your My TV app. We could figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do now, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on widget. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Then here can you select your widget here, can you add it? Just click here on add. So you add here any widget, then it's going to add with you on your My Jewelry app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like